You know what we should do is check in with Steve Patterson.
Yes. Yeah. Hopefully he doesn't have many clothes on because it's very cold out there. The Twin Cities live host from KSTP.
No.
Minneapolis. Oh, my gosh. Minneapolis, St. Paul, live right now. Steve, it looks rough.
Guys, spring has sprung here in the great state of Minnesota. If you could bear with me for one moment. No! Anyway, enough about me. How are you guys doing?
Well, we are fascinated with how much snow is in your hair, and I know you've been out there for like 1 second.
Yeah, so let me tell you what happened. So on Monday, on Monday it was 70 degrees. Here it was 70. And then this happened, and a lot of people have asked, did you expect this? We expected this in the same way that we all expect to die someday. We know that it will probably happen. We don't really want to think about it until it happens. Now, Kelly and Ryan, you might enjoy this. The snow, which we got a pretty good amount so far, did taper off. What I'm experiencing right now are wind gusts of up to 50 miles an hour and sleet. And if you have not yet enjoyed the experience that is sleet, let me describe it. It's like ice bullets, so just shards of angry snow and ice that mockingly pepper you in the face. It is unpleasant out here.
We hate to laugh at your suffering, but it really is fascinating to watch you get pelted with ice bullets.
Let us just roll up our sleeves for a second in the studio here.
Yes, it's a little warm in here.
No.
How are the people of the Midwest?
How are they handling it?
Can you tell us how the spirits are of the people?
Yes, I can tell you. We are broken. We are angry. We don't like it. This is garbage. It has to stop. You know, here's the real trouble. The 70 was cool. I mean, you should have seen us on Monday. 70 degrees. We were fertilizing our lawns with reckless abandon, anticipating what was to come. And now this happens. I guess it's best described as emotional weather whiplash. There will be long-lasting emotional effects that we won't know what they are until midsummer because they're still setting in. This is crappy.
Wait, so when is it supposed to end? Is there an end in sight?
I guess. I mean, in theory, it's going to be snowing later today, by the way. If you're looking for like a forecast update, it will be snowing later and then sleet. We might even get some freezing rain. Trifecta.
Oh, yeah.
It should warm up this weekend. It's going to be in the 50s.
Shards of pelts and rain.
By Tuesday, it's going to be like 60 degrees.
So what are your plans? How are you going to make it through and endure all of this blizzard?
Ryan? Thank you for asking.
Tell me.
I am protesting on behalf of Minnesota, on behalf of the Midwest. I'm just saying, forget about it. It doesn't matter. I've set up shop here in front of the lawn at KSTP. I got burgers. We'll flip those. Uh-oh. Boy. Let me show you this burger that I just got. I may have left that on a smidge too long, but I gotta tell you, beggars can't be choosers.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, part of the underside of that is raw.
Hey.
That's the way we eat them in my house.
with gloves and a winter hat.
Thank you. That's our chief meteorologist.
Steve, thank you very much for that report.
Patterson.
Well done, as always. You know, it's so cold, he makes it through without stuttering or shivering.
Boy,
you and I would die in that.
We would have been dead several minutes ago.
We would have looked like
He's
that
hardy.
burger.
He's becoming hardy.
He really is. And
that may be green screen.
Yeah.
That's green. I don't think that's green screen.
If you don't follow Steve Patterson,
I do follow him now. It's hysterical.
Isn't it great?
Yes,
he
it's
really is. He is an Instagram gift. That is my gift for you today. Follow Steve Patterson. It is endlessly entertaining, and he really does. He's in Minnesota. He hosts a talk show called Twin Cities Live, and he complains about the weather to the point that Ryan thought he was the weather reporter.
He was the weather reporter. He's really good at covering it and complaining about it. Come on.
He's like a New Yorker. If I didn't know any better, I'd swear he was a New Yorker that got lost.
Well, thank you, Steve. Great job once again. All right, today we have a fun show. Got a lot to do. Molly Shannon is here, Kelly Ripa.
We just showed us a shot of Steve laying out, like lounging, like he's at the beach. He really is a broken man.